All right, so I guess this will be the first part of repairs on the CT90. I did what I normally do and jumped ahead of myself. I got the carb off. All I do is take the couple bolts out of the intake runner here and cut the fuel lines, pull it off. Yeah, I do have new replacement fuel line here somewhere. The braid, I'm looking around. You can't see me looking. It's the cloth covered fuel line. So it should be a better replacement. This gasket here is cracked. I have to find if I got one of those. And then I went ahead and pulled it apart already. For sitting for as many years as it sat, the oil, don't mind this brown oil. That was residual from the pan. But the gas in it, it didn't do much damage. Came out looking like Mountain Dew, sort of, but clean otherwise. Looks to be in pretty good shape. I do have a Honda carb kit here for this particular bike from Honda. Honda replacement parts. I guess I'll give props to this guy that I bought it from. V-Rock's Vintage Parts. I hope he appreciates that. So this is, and I'm not affiliated with this guy at all. It was the first time I bought a kit from him. I'm hoping I could buy many more. This is what we have for the start of the carb, and then I will get this cleaned out and put together, and we'll see what we have. Thank you.